that was part of my diet mentality, right? Like, want to maintain my weight loss,
Yeah.
so I'm going to weigh myself weekly or monthly or, and then based on, like you said, based on what the scale says, that would impact how I felt emotionally or felt about myself. And I remember you and we were doing a podcast together, and I said, I made the commitment right then and there, and I have not stepped on my scale since.
Really?
The only time I have been weighed is when I went for my annual checkup to my doctor, and I said, I told him, I said, I don't want to know.
I say the same thing.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
I don't dread, like here, I live in the Midwest, right? Summer's coming. I wonder if my capris are still going to fit, I mean, all that diet mentality that we get into, and a slave to the scale could impact whether I was going to be kind to my family that day or not,
100%.
That freedom, right? There's so much freedom with intermittent fasting from those kinds of things.
I mean, listen, there's two flips of the coin of the scale. There's our side, which is like, it messes our day up. When I was in my 20s and I was working out, I was a gym rat for very different reasons back then, because I was the type of person that would go and eat a Dunkin' Donuts muffin and then the next day be like, I got to go work out for an extra hour because I ate a muffin yesterday. It's so stupid.